Hello everyone, welcome back to Gardening Pathshala. Today's video is the second episode of our Cocopeat Gardening video series, and for those who are new to this channel, let me tell you this video series is all about growing plants using only cocopeat. No soil, no compost, no fertilizer like bone meal, horn meal or stuff like that. This is a super easy way to garden, and you can grow different types of plants using this amazing gardening technique. So let's dive into today's video. In the first episode, I showed how to germinate seeds using cocopeat. I grew some capsicum plants from seeds. These are those plants, 3 weeks old now, and today I'm going to transplant the seedlings into pots using only cocopeat, and this step is very important, so watch the video carefully. The first thing that I need is some cocopeat. So I have taken some cocopeat from a cocopeat block. If you take it from me, I would say it is better to buy a cocopeat block than buying loose moist cocopeat, because you never know how old the cocopeat is and how long it has been moist. Fungi might have grown there which could be introduced to the plants, something that is not at all good. The second thing that you should keep in mind is you should choose pot size according to the plant size. Start with a small size pot and increase the pot size as the plant grows. I will use a 4-inch pot to start with. After around 30 days, I will transplant the plants again into 8-inch pots. I will grow these capsicum plants organically. I will not use any chemical fertilizer or any chemical pesticide or fungicide. So I am going to add 2 things with cocopeat before I transplant them into pots. The first thing that I'm going to use is Trichoderma viride. It's a good fungus. I will add it with cocopeat. After adding it with cocopeat, the fungi will be there and they will be in cocopeat, safeguarding the plant against bad fungi. The second thing that I'm going to use is mycorrhizal fungi. They will enhance the plant's ability to absorb nutrients and water from growing medium. These are 2 beneficial fungi that I'm going to use. If you have never used them, you should certainly give them a try. They are really very useful, especially if you are into organic gardening. I will grow 2 plants using only cocopeat. I will grow the other plants in different mediums. The potting of the plant is complete. These seedlings were in paper teacups and I just took them out of the cups and potted them. I did not disturb the root system very much, so it is quite okay to fertilize them, I think at this moment. I'm going to fertilize them using a seaweed extract fertilizer. I have taken half liter of water and I will add 1 ml of seaweed extract fertilizer with that water, and will give around 100 ml to each plant. I will not fertilize the plants or water them for the next 7 days, and this is the beauty of this gardening system. You don't have to water your plants daily, just once or twice a week is enough. Today is 9th October and the weather is still hot out there. I'm going to keep these plants in a place where they will get morning direct sun and not direct sun in the noon. Keeping the plants in direct sun all day might cause leaf burn. Paper plants are very susceptible to few pests like thrips and mites, so you need to use a biopesticide like Theta or Thrill or any other biopesticide to prevent pests from attacking the plants. From now on, I will weekly upload updates on these plants so that you can also grow some plants along with me using these amazing gardening technique. The winter is knocking at the door and you can grow almost all kinds of winter season plants using this gardening technique. If you have problems collecting soil, or if you don't have much time for gardening, once you get the hang of growing plants using this technique, you are going to love it. So that was it for today's video. Hope to see you again.